Taylor. I like Valentine's Day, and I like my brother. I love my mommy, and I like I ate from Dante. And I love my daddy. Happy Valentine's Day. Love, Taylor.
Very good. Jay, your turn. Read me your card.
I can't.
Yeah, you can.
No, I
Right
can't.
here.
No, you do it.
I'll help you. Come here.
No.
Okay. It says, I like choo-choo trains.
I like choo-choo trains.
And I like fruit snacks too.
I feel next too.
And I love mommy, daddy, and grandma.
I like mommy and daddy, and grandma.
And I love Papa and Taylor too.
I love Papa and Taylor too.
Happy Valentine's Day.
Happy Valentine's Day.
Love, Jaden.
Love, Taylor.
You're so cute.
Can I do one more with
Thank
my love? Taylor.
Again. Read me yours, Daddy.
It says Cupid's Choice. Details available in bedroom. What does that mean? What does that mean?
Oh.
Huh? And it says bear hug. But bear is spelled B-A-R-E, not B-E-A-R. What does that mean?
Yeah.
I don't know. And it says romantic candlelight dinner. Save room for dessert. Me. What? That doesn't make
I'm
sense.
so glad she doesn't understand what it means.
It says big wet smooch. Location negotiable. Wink wink. Wink wink. Can you wink wink?
Taylor, what's a smooch?
Smooch?
You know what a smooch is?
If you can have one food for the rest of your life, what would it be? Pez. Cherry flavored Pez.
Jay, can you stop eating yours?
That's chocolate Pez.
Yeah. Okay, lovey. Happy Valentine's Day.
Baba, 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 Baba,
What?
Baba,
What?
Baba.
The sugar kicking in? Oh, you're a bug?
No, I love bug. Baba, 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 Baba. If you eat these, then you're a love bug.
Okay, love you guys.
I love you, love bug mommy. I'm love bug baby.
Okay, we're gonna see Taylor either crash and burn or ride her bike by herself.
Hey Taylor, let's go put your bike over there. Let's put it all the way.
Bájate de ahí, mijo. Bájate de ahí.
He's ticklish.
Bájale, bájalo.
He's ticklish.
Le echaron aire a la llanta de Mati. No lo dejes subir porque se cae.
Abuelita. Vente, Alita.
Ok. Ok, me parece bien. tener perro así a un lado, que le prende la luz. Yo venía otro, que le prende la luz también.
Fix it. Let me fix it.
You're gonna fix it?
Yeah.
We left the camera where the 3-year-old is. Hi, Maki.
Hi.
Hi.
Hi, Mommy.
Hi, love. I see you.
What else? See?
Okay, Jay. But let's.
Can I see? Can I see? Can I see?
If you see, then don't touch it, okay? Just look. Let me make this one bigger. Hold on. Okay, if you're ready, let's go back. I don't want this to fall again, okay? If you're watching, just stand behind it. Don't touch it. Okay.
Gina, stay right here. Stay.
Jay, don't,
Stay with that.
Jay, don't touch it, though.
Hi. Ah.
Maybe.
See, not you. Not you. Not you. Not you. Not you. No. Not you. Not you. Not you. No. What is that? I got
Maki, scoot over. I want to see people who are riding bikes. Hi, Marsha.
Tomorrow going to the zoo. Go that way. Go that way.
Keep back on. Ready? Ready?
Bájate de ahí. O no te metes de allá porque luego te mueves y quieres salir.
Go all the way. Ready?
Mira, get out.
Stop. Go the other way.
Ready?
I can see you, Marsha. Hi.
I'm going to stop. Watch. Today's episode is How to Ride a Bike for Taylor Lee.
Let's see our Taylor.
And she's coming in. She's seeing us.
Come on. Just put your bike up there.
No vayas a tirar ahí. A un lado.
You ready?
Maki, no vayas a tachar.
Just watch it.
I can see you. I can see you.
Okay, you ready?
Hi, Taylor. 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 Taylor, hi.
Wow, that's very noisy.
I can see.
La estás aflojando y va a llegar el momento en que se derrumba. No hagas eso.
I can see.
Taylor is going in an episode. Channel 4.
I'm checking my booty. Here, Gina, I'm gonna show you something funny. I'm gonna show you something funny, Gina. You don't want to see something? Here. Go back. Taylor! 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 Say hi right here. Taylor! 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 Say hi right there. Hi. You can see. I can see you.
today's episode of Watch and Learn.
Okay. Can I not follow you this time? Can you just go?
Go the other way.
Why the other way?
Because
No vais a tirar ahí, Frida, tú estás grandota, tú no debes de andar ahí.
Hi, Marky. Hi, I can't even see you up there. I can see you up there. Can you see me now? I can see you right here. I can see you right here. Right here. No? 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 Yes. 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 Now I can see Sebastian. I have to leave. Over here.
I recorded myself.
I see you, Jay. Ah, don't run into here.
Can I sit? Can I sit?
Hi. Woo. Okay, Jay, have fun riding bikes. Hi, Jay.
Hi.
Are you wearing underwear today?
Yes.
What kind of underwear?
Johnny anywhere.
Thomas underwear. Did you wear it all day today?
Yeah.
Did you wear it to school?
Yeah.
So where are you going pee-pee at?
And body.
Ah, high five. You are awesome.
I see it.
Hi, Taylor.
Mommy, I finished my homework.
Woo, good job.
Want to see my other page?
Yes.
Let me see.
Look at this. Kids doing homework.
Here's
People wearing
my-
underwear. Mwah. Very good. Who is your alpha friend?
Queenie Queen.
Do you know the song?
What does it say?
It says
What
Queenie
tune is
Queen.
it?
Let's see.
You know that?
Queenie has qualified to run in the race. She'll run very quickly to keep up the pace. I don't know how it goes. Does that sound right?
Yeah.
No?
Dad, what song is it?
On top of Old Smoky.
Yeah. Hey, not in. Not
Hey, I
in.
don't want your wormies on tape. Cool. Unless you go in front of the camera, then you can have your wormies be on there.
Look it. Ow!
Let me see your wormies. You can't see if they're...
Look it.
Let me see. Look, watch. Put them out here. See? There's your wormy. You have to put them in front of here, babe. Cool.
Now what's it? Now where's my worm? Here it is.
Very nice.
What?
And we still have to do reading tonight.
And here. I don't see. Here it is.
Wonderful.
I don't see my wormies.
All right.
I don't see my
I'll
wormies.
let you guys go to get ready for bed.
I don't see my wormies.
Beautiful. Okay.
Don't
Love you.
see
Good night.
too.
It doesn't see if you go that close to the camera. It won't see you. There.
Wait.
Taylor.
We'll see.
It won't, doesn't, there. Okay, say goodnight.
Good night, Mommy.
Jay, can you say it nicely?
Da, 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 da.
No, you're being silly.
Yeah, yeah. Good night, Mommy. I
Good
love you.
Crazy boy.
Good night, baby.
Good evening. My name is Janet Fan, and I will be your 2009 hostess.
And my name is Raymond Sosene Pengai. I'll be your host for the evening. We would like to welcome you to the 2009 presentation of Great Moments.
Great Moments was adapted from Pageants of Masters, which is held each summer from July to September in Laguna Beach. The Festival of Arts celebrates artists from all types of genres, cultures, and ages. The event encourages appreciation, study, and performance of arts. Great Moments is tradition at Ethan Allen. Each year, teachers and parents volunteer their time and effort to create a memory for their class. We would like to thank all of you for joining us.
This year we have had some amazing moments at Allen. Who could forget that amazing tent celebration and the Halloween parade? This year, Allen started the year with a sea of new faces. We would like to take a moment to welcome some fabulous new educators to the staff. Primary welcome to the majority of the teachers, Miss Kim in room 51, Mrs. Howard in room 1, Mrs. Soto Longo in room 5, and Mrs. Fox in room 11. This year, upper grade also gained a remarkable teacher. I'm sure 5th grade is grateful for Miss Larson. We also have some new faces in the office. 2009 brought Ethan Allen, Miss Nora Eldragili.
This 2008 and 2009 has brought sunshine and a couple of new babies. Last year, Mrs. Ty welcomed Kingston. At the beginning of this year, Joanna joined the Jew family. We can't wait to meet Mrs. Benedict's bundle of joy, Jeffrey Walter, who was born last Friday. This summer brought sunshine and a glowing bride. Congratulations to our very own kindergartner teacher, Mrs. Chin Nguyen. Maybe she can help Miss Niedringhouse out, who got engaged over the winter break.
We would also like to take a moment to honor Mrs. Cole and Mrs. Jazz for their dedication to Allen students and the teaching profession. We wish them a great new start as principals at their new school. Congratulations to all the staff mentioned, and we will continue to wish for many future great moments.
Hey Raymond, have you ever had a bad experience in the kitchen?
Where things just don't seem to go your way.
In this next piece, a couple of chefs are having a bad day in the kitchen.
Hey, do you smell something burning?
Please welcome for the first time Mrs. Chin Nguyen's kindergartners in the first great moment of the evening.
And here is my little chef.
Yeah, I'm the chef. I did this show tonight at my school.
With her mustache and all.
Here's my mustache.
Oh, I see it. Yeah, go back. Go back. And our next performance is going to be the talent show coming up soon.
And here's my orange thing.
Stop, I can't see. Jay, can you go say hi?
Hi.
Hi, Jay. Hey, Jay, I have a question for you. Come here, Taylor. You can be the question person. Come here and ask him questions. Let's see, Jay. How old are you now?
3.
Show me 3. 3. And what birthday party did you have?
Thomas.
Yeah.
And Nemo.
And Nemo was your 2nd birthday.
Yeah.
And who's behind you?
Taylor.
Taylor. Who is Taylor? Her? Is she your mommy?
No. My sister.
Your sister. Do you have a brother?
No.
Are you the brother?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hi, little brother. No.
Who's the mommy?
You.
And what's my name?
Mommy.
And who's the daddy?
I'm Daddy.
What's his name?
I'm Daddy.
Daddy. Yeah.
Give me it for a second. Give me it for a second.
Who's your doggies?
Give me I'm not a sicko.
Yeah.
Give it to me for a second.
Do you have any other pets?
Yeah.
Any other animals?
Yeah. No.
Who, Jaden, do you know any other animals?
Yes, I know. We have fishies. Ducks.
Ducks?
Ducks.
What did he say?
Ducks? Yeah.
We don't have any ducks.
Tea ducks.
Kitty cats. We don't have kitty cats.
Doggies.
We do have doggies.
And I know what we have, Mommy. I do.
What?
Fishies.
Do we have fishies, Jay?
No.
You really?
No.
They live in your room.
Over here, we'll show you.
Crazy kid. Oh, baby, you just bumped your head. Are you guys going through too fast together? Oh, okay. Bye-bye. Okay, Taylor's turn.
He just struck out of his
Slow, but slow. Not too sure.
He's trying to get away. Sears does that too.
Oh, not sure where to stand.
Look at the right fielder.
Run, Taylor! Oh, foul ball. Foul ball. Go back. Little confusion on the field. Good job, T. Back in the box, babe.
He's trying to get hit.
That one's free over there.
Nice manufacturing run.
Oh, she's counting that one. Good swing.
Sure. Watch Taylor. Good try, babe. I didn't make a movie. Jay, I didn't make a movie this time. You have to wait a little bit.
Yeah, the twins. I staggered.
Hey, let's do this bigger!
Come on, baby, you. Step up. You. Let our spirit do it. Down.
Either you play them up and then they don't get back there. Way to go, Ryan. And way to go, Pitcher. Nice Good job, bro. Good job, bro. Come on, Natalie. Great job, Ray. Good job, Bella. Get those knees a little. There you go.
What's that?
Natalie, turn your head with that ball.
I can imagine how to do it that way too.
Foul ball.
Way to be there, Bella. Way to be there.
No, you didn't really get up.
Come on, Nat! It's okay, Natalie! Come on, Montana!
Good job, Bella.
You're up first to bat, baby.
Good job, Bella.
Rachel, Riley, Morgan, you're up to bat.
Good job. Good job, McKenna.
Rachel, Riley, Morgan. You get it front to the pitcher.
Take a practice, sweetie Tana. Wait, Tana. Never turn your head. Watch that ball.
Baseball ready, Angel. Stand up.
Okay, you swing it up, Tana. Sway it across. Great.
See how we do that? Every time he leaves his hand, he walks. Turn around.
Get ready, McKenna.
Get it, McKenna. McKenna, get it. Tana. Swing through.
No matter what, tell me to say something, okay?
McKenna, come on, sister, it's okay. McKenna, you can do it.
I'm going to tell you right now, sweetheart.
Montana, swing level. You get right underneath it, okay?
Baby, softball ready, baby.
They've been up here for a whole day. They were getting down after the opening.
Get on the seat.
There you go, like that. You don't have to go on the other one. Taylor. They can't claim the right one.
Oh, you guys have money for ball flies? That's cool. Boys, when they play good again. Jana, you get one more, that's it, man. You gotta sit there and swing. Make it count, okay?
There's all kinds of I don't know.
Hey, maybe.
Oh, that was horrible.
No, it's okay.
play 5 strikes.
Come on, Green Angels! Baseball ready!
Doing a little fence.
Now watch golf course. Get ready to skate.
Uh-oh, Cranky.
Cranky. One miss running in. Cranky,
Yeah, right, whatever.
That's the goal she's all having.
Oh my gosh, she's miniature.
Oh, yeah.
Ooh.
Oh, good catch! No, okay, Grandma. Where I'm gonna put it?
Go to the pitcher. Go to the pitcher. Hold it.
Your arm. Your arm.
Yummy,
Oh,
huh?
she's so fond. I love it.
Okay, give it to them.
What are you doing?
Being a steak. I got it.
That's gross. That's really gross.
Yeah.
Where'd Steph go?
They went walking.
They're making out.
Hold on.
Kidding. It doesn't even seem like the type that would do that. Well, she did last night when she just let him walk through the door by himself. Piper!
I'm gonna go for you then. Look! Papa.
Ah. Yes, sir. What do you need, Jay?
Oh, good.
Thank you.
We need Phil, Papa.
Okay.
I like it as a movie.
Love enjoy it. No, you need Phil. No.
My friends all give you your 10 cards. Well, this was called 10 cards.
Hey, sing with me.
You knew, dude.
Talking to the top, and I was just like, my mouth open and everything, my friend shut my mouth in the way. Kind of brave, and then hands on, training, pulled the control.
Just watching her, she just dazed it off. She's doing a good job.
Yeah, dude, I couldn't lift the chair.
You did the whole thing.
What's he doing with his visor? He seems like a fun
Hi, Mommy. Hi.
Hi, what's up?
Did you know what?
Can you sit down? What?
Did you know what?
What?
Today, did you know what?
What?
We can do the talent show.
Who?
Me and then he.
What are you guys gonna do?
I'll show you. Jaden, please get out of the way.
Jay, sit here and watch. Jaden, please get off.
Hello. All for one. We can rock it and just let go. Read on the jump. Yeah, fun and work. We've done.
Okay, stop.
Way back in.
No.
You want me do
Good job, Taylor.
all for one. Be good. And just
Put one in there, Jay.
go. Rhythm on the drum. Yeah, fun in the sun. Oh,
Not that one.
is that
Yay! So you and Jinhee are gonna do that on the big stage?
Yeah.
Are you excited?
Yeah.
Good.
This one.
Hey Jay.
This one.
No. Give me a real DVD. That's a plastic one.
She's funny, huh, Mommy? This one.
No, real one.
This one. No, that one. No. No, this one.
Taylor?
That one.
Thank you, Jay. Press the button. Thank you. Okay, all done. Okay, bye guys.
Bye. I love you. And wait, mommy. Let me tell you something.
What? Thank you.
Wait.
Jay, please get down.
Can I?
Jay, go say goodbye to the camera. Say bye.
Bye, Grandma.
You have to be on the other side, Jay, because I can't see you. Go on the other side.
Bye.
Oh my goodness.
Bye.
Goodbye. Love you.
Bye.
Okay, good night.
Good night.
Okay, Taylor's second game. First ups. They got one hit, but Taylor wasn't up, so now she's in right center.
Shelby, ready?
Oh, she seems to be ready.
Sorry, Nikki, that was my fault. Come on,
Let's go, girls. Let's go. All right, come on, babe.
No, right there. Just like that, leave that bat up there. Give me a practice swing. All right, you ready? Second practice, you ready? Here we go. Keep your eye on the ball, okay? Keep your eye on the ball and hit it, put your helmet up just a little bit. Ready?
Ready. Softball ready.
Ooh, you almost hit it full swing all the way through, okay? Okay, practice swing. Give me a practice swing.
We are playing against the Pirate Princesses. They lost last game, just like us. Ooh! Oh, good try. We're a little not knowing what we do.
Go back. Shelby, throw it to the pitcher.
Got Miss Dancer out here now.
Run, Abby, run! Hold up, go!
We're going to have a thing with not catching the ball.
Shelby, be ready. Hit it, Julia. Isabella, be ready. She's a big hitter. He knows too much, Justin.
Keep your eye on this ball. Ready? Second practice. Here we go.
Shelby, you tag the
Whoa, she's going to hit it out to the outfield. Oh my goodness.
Shelby, are you ready?
Oh.
Coach Rich, are you ready? Come on.
I'm not ready yet. All right, now I am.
All right.
Ready, Morgan?
Come on, Amy.
okay? Put your helmet up just a little bit. Ready? Here we go, just like in practice. Come on. Ooh, you just almost hit it. Fire that ball, come on. Good job, catcher, good job. You ready? Make this one count. Just like in practice. Ooh, you missed it.
Good, practice swinging. Keep practicing. No, practice your swing. Taylor, you gotta swing straight, remember? Swing straight. Keep your bat up. Is that bat too big, babe? No, no, you don't get it. You don't get it.
Hey, you're out of order. Olivia's up.
Get your bat and get it ready. That's a cut. You're up there.
Watch the ball, babe.
Right there, perfect.
Come on, Taylor.
Come on, Taylor, you can do it.
Oh, that's Morgan.
Come on, Taylor. Hit it, honey.
Good try, babe. Come on. Taylor, come on back.
Swing. Got one more. Make it count, okay? Just like in practice.
Come on, Tay, throw it in, baby. Good job, catch it. Nice, nice.
Good throw, catcher.
My mom should want me to do this.
Good swing. Ready? Just like in practice. Here we go. Come on. Almost missing you. Swing a little bit too late. Keep your eye on that ball. Is that helmet getting
Good job, Taylor.
Shelby, are you ready? What are you going to do if you get it?
And
Come on, Alea.
Yeah.
Good throw.
Come on, Alea.
You're gonna make
Watch
this
the
one
ball.
count on the land, okay?
Look at Riley, she's ready to roll.
Good job. Good job. You ready? Come on, Alain, make this one count.
That ball,
Like in practice. Here we go. Just barely missed it. Just throwing that ball.
everybody watch the ball wherever it goes, okay?
Good throw, catcher. Come on, you gotta make this one count right here.
come on, Green Angels. Baseball ready.
Barely missing it. All right. You're doing good. Make this one count. Good job, catcher.
Mom!
Here we go. Come on, now.
Wow.
Nice job, Rock on,
What's your mommy's name? Huh?
Just like in practice. Okay? Come on. Here we go, Maddie.
Come on, Green Angels. Baseball ready.
Oh yeah, sorry, yeah, sorry.
Here we go, Maddie.
You do? Okay, hold on.
Ooh, you barely missed it. Oh, you got one more pitch to give it. Come on, Maddie. Give me a practice swing.
Riley's ready.
Baseball ready, Angels. Get up.
Here we go. Come on, Maddie.
Rachel, stand up.
Those three. Okay, that's good, Maddie. All right.
All right, Green, let's go. Hey, Mel, nice play.
There, she's finally running in. Nope, just kidding.
Yes.
The kid didn't even move when the ball was right there. Oh man.
Last ball, you gotta hit. Come on.
They cannot pay attention.
20 seconds.
Oh man. Taylor, go to second base. She has no idea. Oh, they have no idea.
Hey, good job. Ready? Come on. Here we go.
Almost.
My fault. Just watch it. Break your legs a little bit. Very good. Just like that. Good job, catcher. Just like that, Maddie. Come on, Maddie. Let's go. Ready? Here we go. Come on. Oh, my fault.
Junior, relax. Junior, you got this. Come on, Junior, relax. You got this, Junior. Come on.
Always get the ball and touch the base.
Come on. Come on.
Riley.
Maddie, good try. Here we go.
Hey, good job, Maddie. Junior, that's it. Come on.
Baseball ready,
Come on. Hey, miss it. Good on him.
Give me contact this ball.
Contact with this one, Autumn. Come on. Here we go. Come on. Ooh, barely missed it, Autumn. Good job, Autumn.
Come on, baby. Come on, Jessica. You got
Ready, Jessica?
Come on, Turbo.
Taylor, pay attention.
Practice. Give me a practice.
Watch the batter.
That's right. Come on. Here we go. Watch your ball. Here we go. Come on. Ooh, good swing. Good swing. Back kick. Ready?
Taylor, watch the batter, please.
Here we go, Turbo. Come on. Ooh. Watch the kick in. Back up just a little bit. Right there. Gotta make this one count, Jessica. Here we go.
Put on your helmet.
Ready, get ready.
I miss Taylor. Ooh, nice swing.
Mom! I hit that foul ball so hard.
Come on, Taylor, you can do it.
Good job. Way to stick it in there.
Ooh. Taylor, do it again. Taylor, fast swing.
Like this. I do it like this.
Oh. Come on, babe. Taylor, come on.
Taylor, elbows up, babe. There you go. Dad! Mom!
That was a great hit. That's like one of the hardest ones. Yes, just fouled. it up, sweetie. Hey, great play. First base, too.
She's not sure whether she's left or right.
All right, ready? Right there. First base.
Batting left.
You can do it, sweetheart. Come on.
Babe, you're in the light.
Good swing, Morgan.
You got 5 minutes of tape left. Yeah.
There you go, Ryan.
You kick some booty, girl. Let's go. Come on, booty. Come on, kick some booty.
Oh.
Almost at it. Good swing, girl. Good swing.
How many
Come on,
outs is
Ryan. You can do it. You can do it, Ryan.
it? 1.
Come on, tough girl. You got it. Show that ball who's boss.